Calling out for the attention of all CPL holders, this is Meghna Thomas from Epaulettes Aviation. As you all are aware, Air India Express has announced the vacancy for CPL holders. Joining Air India Express can be very promising. This airline comes with a lot of perks. You get a lot of amazing layovers. You will also get an international exposure in a short span of time. And not to forget the good allowances offered. Epaulettes Aviation has started the Airline Preparatory classes, focusing mainly on the Air India Express entrance examination and also the various tests that will be conducted. That includes your interview, your psychometric tests and your sim checks as well. So if you still haven't enrolled for these classes, don't miss out on the opportunity to join the #1 training institute in India, where along with our best instructors and with your hard work, we guarantee your selection into the airline. We are also giving you exciting offers and amazing discounts at the moment. So if you are looking for the right place to go and prepare yourself, look nowhere else, come straight away to Epaulettes Aviation. As you know, this is your route to the cockpit. Here we will be giving you all the notes, you will be given the question banks, we will also be doing with you the question papers. Not to forget, you will have assignments to do as well. You will be given access to our portal, which contains a plethora of questions, and that will be helpful for you to crack your examination. Also, we are offering a free test series for your exam evaluation. Quickly register with us with the Google form link available below, and you will also find the link for the written exam sample paper. If you have any other queries, feel free to contact us at our contact number. We will be more than happy to help you out. So, what are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!